This is quite cool. Let me show you what it is. It's a thermostat for any device, like a heater or a cooler, like a swamp cooler or like just a dumb heater. I got it from Amazon and it works so nice. And it looks so nice.
This is my thermostat from Amazon. This is supposed to control my swamp cooler, what you can hear in the background. That's my swamp cooler for the garage and for the house. So it can do heat and cold. That's all you get. Actually, it looks pretty cool. This is why I got this one, because it doesn't look like a remote. It looks like something that you put on the wall. So I'm going to install this thermostat on the wall, and this controls this little device over here, which turns on the swamp cooler. So I could set up the temperature in the house, and it's wireless, and I really needed something like that. I think I'm going to need batteries, and of course they don't send you batteries, so make sure you buy batteries. I really like the design on this particular one. I saw it on the website, and it looks pretty cool. It literally looks like a thermostat. So here it is. Press and hold, 24-hour, Wednesday, 4:41. Come on, okay. DST, we're gonna leave it like that. Temperature, we're gonna want it in Fahrenheit. So there it is. Right now we have current temperature, and then we have set temperature. So right now we could set it to a certain temperature. Let's say I want to have 74 in the house. If I want to have 74 in the house, this will turn it on and off based on the fact that it's on cold, or if I press and hold, on heat. So it could work either or. So let's pair it first. So after we program it, we're going to press and hold these two together. It's going to go into pairing mode, and then we're going to push this button over here. And then right now it's in pairing mode, and then they just connect it to each other. Okay, that's good. So right now what we have, see, right now it's off, off, on, off, on. So right now it's in cold mode, cooling mode, and then if I set it on, it's off mode. If I set it on 73, so you just turn on, 85, 88, turns it off. So that is pretty cool. That is pretty cool. So let's hook up the swamp knob to it, and I'll show you how it works from the house. And let's see how far it actually works. So plug it into the wall, and now the swamp will be plugged into it. And this is my swamp connector. Let's see if it's gonna fit. And now we can take our remote, which is gonna replace this long wire that I have running across the house. And then this remote, we could set it up on, there it is, 74. And now we can mount this one on the wall, and we have a cool thermostat, really. So how cool is this, right? Just sits on next to any thermostat. And it's mounted on the wall. Now, one of the things that I've noticed that maybe it's not my favorite thing in the world, it's the fact that once you let it sit over here, which looks really, really cool, it just goes dark because it's running on batteries. So the screen goes dark, and that is a little bit disappointing because, you just walk by it and you want to see the lights and what temperature is set and all that stuff. But it is what it is. There's not much that you can do about it. It's battery powered, and I wish you would have a transformer, but then you'll have to deal with a long cable. And that could be a different kind of a problem. But it works. It works really, really good. It controls the swamp cooler really, really well. So it works from here, and that's all I wanted. So now I could eliminate this old one, which was a temporary position because I knew that one's coming. But this old one can be eliminated, including the wire. So that was the goal, to eliminate this stupid wire.